Welcome back to Bino. This is Brian. So the next step that we are going to do is actually create, we've already created the page. We're going to go ahead and fill in some of the blanks so that we can set this page up appropriately and get it rock and rolling. So once you are in business account, in your business account, go ahead and click on pages here and you'll have the page that populates right here. It's going to show that you are attached to this account and that you are the one that has access to go ahead and fix things. So we're going to click View Page in the top right corner, and this is going to load the business page up inside of Facebook so that we can go ahead and make changes and adjustments to this. Now, when you're creating your page, you want to make sure that you're using images that associate with your brand, and that we have a profile photo, we have a cover photo. We want to make sure that we have everything kind of filled out on here. So we have an about section and all that good stuff. So the first thing that we're going to start with is going to be the profile photo. So I'm going to go ahead and choose from photos really fast, just so I can show you how to do this. Actually, I need to upload a photo. So I'm going to upload this directly from my computer. So we're going to go into desktop, and I don't want to use this particular image. So let's go ahead and go back, and let's go all the way back. I'm going to go ahead and use this logo for the photo here. Now, you can move this around and center this however you need to. So in order to get this whole thing in there, I'm not going to be able to get everything from this image in. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to center this the best I can and move left a little bit. There we go. And we're going to hit save. Now that will add a photo directly to your profile and your profile photo in the top left corner. So it's going to be the same whether this is a community page, whether it's a business page, you name it, it's all going to be the same in there. And I didn't really like the way that it came out. I'm going to actually go and edit this photo and change that up. And I'll have William do another video on how to edit that in a couple of different platforms and softwares. So the next thing that we're going to do is add a cover. So we want to upload a photo or video. So the cover that I actually want to use was actually in that first section that we clicked on. And let me see if I can find it again. Don't remember exactly where I had that image saved on my computer. So give me one moment. That's kind of embarrassing. Okay, so I'm actually just going to use this stock image right here just so that I can show you guys how it works. So this is one of the images that we have as our background for BKU, and I'm going to go ahead and hit save. So now we have our profile photo, and then we also have a cover photo that's in place. You can also put a video here as well. Now, as you can see, we do have a suggestion up here. So add a category. What type of page is this, right? So it's community page, and this is also going to be education as well. And so we're going to save and continue description. Bino University assists agents in learning how to see the most, or how to gain So Bino University assists, I'm going to change this so it's not capitalized, assists agents in learning how to grow their social media presence, drive leads, and follow up on autopilot through your respective CRM. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and click save. I'm getting a little error here. No, it doesn't like this. So there we go. Now it's working properly. Save and continue. Now you're gonna go ahead and enter in your credentials. Whoops, 652. Or you can say my page doesn't have a phone number. You always want to put your page on your phone number, especially for a real estate page. Now we're gonna go ahead and plug in our URL. And hit save. So now we have some of our basics set up on the account. This is going to take just a moment for everything to load back up and refresh. Now, a cool thing is once you get 10 page likes, you can create your own username on here. So I would request friends, family, anybody that you can from your personal page to like your page. Once you hit 10 page likes, then you can click here to create your custom URL. So facebook.com/community/ whatever your page name is, or facebook.com/my real estate in my city, however you want that name to be. So let's go ahead and take a look at the about section. Right, so under about, we're going to see it should be what we actually just typed in. Let's give it 1 second to load. Computer's running a little slow this morning. It's not liking the screen share from the Zoom or the record function. And everybody's on the internet right now. So it looks like we are taking a little bit more time than normal to go ahead and move to this section, but that's just fine. You can also always take a look at all the tips that Facebook is providing. It's kind of funny though, it's telling me to add a cover photo even though we've already done this. It's also saying, hey, get your friends to like your page. This is the big one. Get your friends to like your page. Get them on there. The about section isn't loading, so I'm going to try to click tell us your story. So let's title this Be Known University. And what you would do here is you would write something up about yourself, about your community, about what your cause is, what you're trying to do, what your goals are, and what you want to accomplish, right? So just give your potential clients an idea as to who you are and what you do so that they can work with you. You can also add a photo into this section as well. It's automatically going to pull photos from your page, so you can add a photo in there that covers the about. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write up a little blurb really quick about Be Known University, who we are, what we do, what our mission is. Our goal is to assist agents in learning how to dominate their local market through the use of social media and their CRM to follow up on autopilot. We update our content and courses weekly so that our members see the latest and greatest tech first. /strategies first. Very simple, very straightforward. We're going to go ahead and hit publish. So once this is done, you now have you now have this section completed on your site. So someone will be able to scroll down and view our story and get that information direct from here. Now that you have that all set, you're going to see story under the about. Now it's going to give you all this information. We have the about here, which is what we plugged in earlier. So all of our information, all of our data is here. So now we should be ready to rock and roll and start creating posts. So please go ahead and take a look as you're moving through the courses. Take a look at organics. We cover how to schedule out all of your posts. We provide a calendar as well to give you several ideas as to what to post, when to post, how to post it, how many times per day, all of that good stuff. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to reach out to us on Beknown University, the Facebook group. If you haven't joined that already, please jump in and join that group. All right, everybody. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day.